Hapadenggi kenrum hakikam san himas sima kasing BJP kejala kalawang no ke jingkren ke balapan mi haswa bakala ban mi no nak sarkar senrop lang ke MDA ke balam khmat da kasing NPP. U in charge jong ke BJP mikraya UM Chuba au ulaang balada kasing BJP kami no nak sarkar senrop lang ke jingken no kan let kasing BJP bat kim kwa ya kata. Halor kajing don ya kajing yete ha kabede ber election bat keseng NPP ulaang ba hagi kamsan hima barok ke kila ban urlong u in charge jong keseng BJP lo kan tai ru ya kajing kena ba keseng kadan bentai bat ke kam kertiap seng la ban penkema bau au kham haswa ula berngem ban mi no nak sarkar MDA belam khmat daka NPP hadian kajing ajimut jong kit khot keseng.
We all are in a coalition government. So we have calculated that since our own alliance, we are giving maximum opportunity that correct themselves. If we pull out, there were lots of alliance. If pull out, then government will fall. The blame will come to us. So we don't want the blame should come us. Let us complete their terms with peacefully and corrected form.
State President